Coming to you live. This is Nicholas' workshop doing the Epic filter installation.
So what we're doing right now is we're doing some pre-plumb. So we're essentially putting this is the inlet side. So the cold water will go through here, through the filter, and then out through the outlet side and to the actual faucet. It's really important that you put these blue lock washers on. Essentially, it's kind of similar to like push to connect fittings, where this is what actually kind of holds the piece of PEX into here and doesn't allow it to pull out. So what we're going to do right now is put this under the sink, find where we're going to mount it in. We already have one hole in there from a different filter, and then just make sure it's level with hot shot level. Put it on here and screw it in.
Okay. Number one, make sure you get the trinkets out of under the sink. Then you gotta connect all the tubes.
Because the
too high?
Yeah, the length of the filter and where the placement of the sink is here, I'll just kind of put it right here. I don't really have much room. So yeah, we'll just maybe mount it on the side and just leave it. See how it goes.
Gotta adapt as we go. Gotta make sure we shut the water off before we unscrew the tubes.
Yeah, so right down here is the cold water shut off. The reason I know this is the cold water is it's pretty much a standard, at least in the United States. It's always hot and cold. This property has a dishwasher, so you can see there's a stub off of the hot to go to the dishwasher, so it kind of gives you a little bit of an indicator. One thing that I like to do is when you do turn it off, just turn the cold water on the faucet. That will relieve any pressure that's in there, but make sure to turn off the faucet. So right now, if I was to turn this on, the faucet, any water that's stuck in the supply line is gonna come out. So a little tech tip.
Little trick.
Yep. So we're gonna screw.
Trick of the trades.
Yep. Screw this diverter on. PEX connected right now to the diverter, so it's important to put these lock washers on so the PEX doesn't accidentally slip out.
Okay.
Okay. And now the only thing left to do is just connect the supply line for the faucet.
Okay. The real plumber.
Okay.
And now we're gonna let the water run. See if there's any leaks anywhere. Always test for the leaks.
Can you hand me a paper towel?
So what do we have here? Is it all done?
So we've got everything connected. Now the only thing to do is just to slowly turn the faucet on and see what happens.
Whoa. It needs to go through the filter.
And what you're going to want to do is, once it's connected, you're going to want to run the cold water for a good couple minutes. That way any residual or anything that's in the filter will get out. You don't want to drink that.
Yeah.
It might
And
be a,
sometimes for a couple gallons it might be like that.
yeah, it might be a slightly gray.
Some flavor from charcoal maybe it's in the filter.
So we're gonna keep an eye on leaks. Don't see any.
It says we tried the other one the other day and we had to send it back because it was no good. This is much better design.
Can you hand me some, like...
I'm gonna give a test, a taste test. Test. Tastes good. Wanna try it? Actually don't taste anything. It tastes kind of like maybe a little bit, but it tastes good. Then we had easy installation kit.